Alright, you guys. I look upside down to me, but you probably don't see me as upside down. So, I'm about to show you what is happening outside in Indiana, Northwest Indiana. This looks great. This might look really weird to you, but here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Can you guys see it? Hopefully you can. Look at that. Look at that snow. That's crazy. I know. Alright, I'm bringing you back in. My tablet back in. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, back inside so I don't freeze after this. Okay, here we go. Now, here's my Charles Chickpea. That's my little brother, Charles. Chickpea. And this is my mom. Ain't she pretty? Here's my sister Mary, who's being shy for no reason. And here's my brother on his tablet. Alright, I'm going to share this with my brother. Yeah. So, look at this. And look, this is what it looked like through my window. Probably you won't be able to see it. Yeah, so I'm praying for you guys to be safe during this storm and not get hurt. Alright, bye.